In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay QuickBooks Invoice with credit card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an invoice in QuickBooks so it can be paid securely by credit card, which makes life easier for you and your customers. Start by signing into your QuickBooks account and opening the Invoices area. This is where you can see all existing invoices and create new ones. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. Seeing the correct customer list and invoice history helps avoid confusion later. Next, create a new invoice using the Create Invoice button, or open an existing invoice if you've already started one. Either way works. The key is that you're working inside the invoice editor, where you can add your customer, the products or services, the amounts, and the due date. Double-check the invoice details as you go so your customer sees exactly what you intend to bill. Within the invoice editor, look for payment options. This is the section that controls how your customer can pay. Click it to open the available choices. Making sure this panel is set correctly is what enables credit card payments on the invoice you're preparing. Now click Edit within the Payment Options panel. This opens the controls that let you fine-tune which payment methods are allowed. You'll see options that typically include credit cards and sometimes bank transfer depending on your setup. Choose Setup and select the credit card option. If this is your first time enabling card payments, QuickBooks may prompt you to complete a quick setup for payments. Follow the on-screen guidance and make sure credit card acceptance is turned on. When you're done, confirm that credit cards are selected as an allowed method on the invoice. Save your settings so they stick for this invoice and any future ones you choose to enable. Before you finalize, glance back at the Payment Options panel to confirm credit card is enabled, then review the invoice total, tax, and due date. A quick review helps prevent delays or disputes. Once this is in place, your customer will see a Pay by Card option directly on the invoice they receive, and they can enter their card details securely to complete payment. Funds will deposit to the account you've set in your payment setup, typically within the standard processing timeline. That's it. You've set up your QuickBooks invoice to be paid by credit card, making it faster for customers to pay and simpler for you to get paid.